Guys, let's evaluate this question. And as you can see, we have a sign here, and this is the sign of inverse Laplace transform. So this is what we want to do. And guys, I have the details already of that problem. It's right here. These are the details. So guys, the first thing we are going to do is to make this into factor form. That is x squared plus 7s plus 10. You convert them to that term to factor form, of which guys now it will come to this. After that, guys, now we come and do what we call partial fraction. We can leave aside the inverse Laplace transform first, and now we find the partial fractions of that. Finding the partial fraction, this is how we would write it. Write a all over s plus 3 plus b all over s plus 5 plus c all over s plus 2. So guys, we are going to look for a, b, and c. By so doing, guys, we are going now to evaluate here, whereby guys now we can now evaluate for this, whereby we say this, the LCM divided by s plus 3 will give us s plus 5, s plus 2, and that's what I have multiplied by a. Then the LCM divided by s plus 5 will give us s plus 2, s plus 3, that's what I have multiplied by b, plus c multiplied by LCM divided by s plus 2 will give us s plus 3, s plus 5. After that, guys, we'll come and now we want now to find the values of a, b, and c. And the best method, guys, we can do, because as you can see in our equation here, we can be able to eliminate. For example, setting s equals to -2, guys, we shall eliminate that because -2 plus 2 is 0, so b is eliminated. Coming to this one, -2 plus 2, we also eliminate that. And so guys, we shall be having now this term and this term. We come and now place that term. -2 here we get 4. -2, this one equals -26 plus 34 is equals now to 12. When you put -2 here, you have 1. -2 here, we have 3. And this is what we are having. So by that, we can now be able to get the c. And the c is equals to 4. Guys, we continue. We now set. We've been able to find c. Guys, now we are looking for another number, whereby we set s is equals to -3. So this one will still cancel, this one will still cancel, and so therefore we are now looking for a. In looking for a, this is what we have. We shall put where the position of a, as you can see, we put -3. That will give us 2, and this one will give us -1, and this is what we have. Then we also put for this -3, that is 9, plus 13 multiplied by 3, -39, plus 34. And so guys, we are able to get our a is equals to -2. After that, we set s is equals to 5. Guys, we do likewise. So when we do likewise, we shall get our b is equals to -1. So from there, guys, we now come and write our equation. Maybe I can write it here. It is now going to be a is -2. Now that is s plus 3 plus b is -1. So this one is going to be negative all over s plus 5. And then finally c is 4. So plus 4 all over s plus 2, like that. This is what we have. And so guys, we can begin with the 4s plus 2. This is what now we are having. Now guys, we bring in our inverse Laplace, because remember this equation, we are supposed to find the inverse Laplace of each of them. That is because our original equation had inverse Laplace. So I've started with this, which is this. I come now to this, which is this, and then this is this. Guys, now coming to inverse Laplace, this is what now we are going to get. We are going to get that. Because remember guys that inverse Laplace of 1 over s minus 2 is usually given by e raised to 2t. So whenever it is negative, guys, here, this one becomes plus. When it is positive like this one now become negative. And the constant, I can bring the 4 here outside, so the constant will still be there. So we get 4 e raised to negative 2t minus, for this one, because it's a negative, a positive, we shall have 5t, e raised to negative 5t. Now minus 2 raised to e negative 3t. And so guys, that is our solution. So thank you guys for listening to me.